Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Helen Womack from Teleprompter.com. I'm a British journalist and writer. When I was teaching English, some students said to me, "We don't want to write, we just want to speak." But that's like going to the doctor and saying, "I want to eat, but I don't want to breathe." As with health, the skills of writing and speaking are interconnected. If you write well, you will speak well, and people will want to listen to you. And it all starts with clear thinking. Now, let me give you 10 tips for good writing. Tip number 1, keep it short. Sometimes a bold statement does need elaboration, but usually concise is best. Keep your sentences short, or the reader will be gasping for breath. Choose shorter words too. Why say endeavour to provide when you can say try to give? Tip number 2, vary the vocabulary. Aim for variety and try not to use the same word twice in the same sentence. Enhance is fine, but you could also say improve, lift, raise, or boost. Tip number 3, the right word. For everything or situation, there is an exact right word. If you're unsure, use a dictionary or a thesaurus. Know the proper meaning of words. Next tip, avoid clichés. A cliché is an oft-repeated, go-to expression that saves you the trouble of thinking. But readers are smart. The moment they detect you have stopped thinking, they will switch off. Next tip, avoid road trains of jargon. Some specialist terms are inevitable, but coupling great road trains of jargon will crush the reader. If you must use jargon, explain it and make sure there is plenty of good plain language to offset it. And here's another tip, mixed metaphors. Images help readers to see what you are saying in the mind's eye. So be careful not to mix metaphors, or the result will be mind-boggling. Here's a tip about overemphasis. Stressing something with words like key, critical, and meaningful will actually weaken, not strengthen what you're saying. For example, saying meaningful engagement suggests that somewhere you have meaningless engagement. Now think about logic and padding. Whether you're going from small to large or start to finish, be logical in the sequence of the words. Make sure that all the words are earning their keep. Don't use long lists just for padding. Now here's a tip about repetition and labouring. If an idea is important or unfamiliar, you can repeat it once. But more is patronising. Don't endlessly labour points. Your readers and viewers are intelligent and they will draw their own conclusions. And the last tip, plain doesn't mean dumb. Gobbledygook doesn't impress. It disguises the fact that you have nothing to say. Speaking simply isn't dumbing down, but being straightforward. Length should equal the amount of meaning. So these are my tips for good writing. Remember, good writing is always clear. It leaves the reader in no doubt. Good writing flows. It draws the reader on like a river current. Good writing is colourful and rhythmical like music. Most importantly, if you write well, you will speak well and hold the attention of your listeners. Dive deeper into the world of seamless presentations with Teleprompter.com. Hit subscribe now and join our community. Don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up if you found it valuable.